Introducing Fix-A-Floor Injection Repair Adhesive, the easy, effective solution for permanently rebonding loose or hollow flooring without the hassle of removal or replacement. This specially formulated adhesive works on a wide range of materials, including ceramic, marble, stone, wood, laminate, and luxury vinyl flooring. Designed to easily flow and self-level into problem areas, this patented system is injected directly through grout and seam lines, filling the cavity between loose flooring and the subfloor. It is also fully compatible with heated floors, maintaining an efficient transfer of heat to the surface without compromising adhesive strength. Fix-A-Floor's low odor, low viscosity, and non-hazardous formula makes it safe and easy to use for nearly any hard surface floor repair. It cleans up easily with water and cures to a strong, clear, and flexible finish that eliminates noise and movement, restoring your floors to as good as new. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, it repairs and prevents floor damage caused by foundation settlement, subfloor movement, and even poor initial installation. Bring your floors back to life with Fix-A-Floor, the original injection repair adhesive. Red Devil, designed to meet your building, repair, and finishing needs.